This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. TYS01-02 can be widely used in laboratory and industrial environments. Syringe pump dimensions. Main components on the upper part of the syringe pump. Main components on the rear part of the syringe pump. Reserve at least 200 mm of clearance behind the syringe pump. Unpack and check against the packing list to ensure all components are complete and undamaged, including TYS01-02, product catalog, manual, warranty card, certificate, power cord, and accessories. Syringe installation example, channel 110 ml and channel to 60 ml. Loosen the plate lock nut, lift the spring plate, move the other end above the plate lock nut, and engage it with the fixed stud. Use pliers to hold the fixed stud to prevent rotation, then loosen the plate nut counterclockwise. Flip the plate over and tighten the plate nut, ensuring the fixed stud remains secure. Finally, lift the spring plate and engage the other end below the plate lock nut. Loosen the lock nut and adjust the position of the fixed bracket. Loosen the plate lock nut and lift the spring plate, then rotate the syringe plate 90 outward. Place the syringe into the right fixed seat groove, lift the spring plate, rotate it back 90, press the syringe plate onto the syringe barrel, and tighten the plate lock nut. Tighten the lock nut to complete installation. Select the appropriate plate pressing method based on syringe size. Small syringes 10 ml and below, use the convex side for pressing. Large syringes 10 ml and above, use the concave side for pressing and fastening. Installation steps for other syringes are the same. Follow the prompts during the first startup wizard example, independent mode, channel 1 infusion, channel 2 aspiration. Power on, then select language, syringe manufacturer, syringe size, working mode, and set parameters. Press the start keys for both channels to begin operation.